Hello English learners, welcome back here. I'm Mina and I'm proud to have you on my channel. This is part 3 of our series on essential relationship phrasal verbs. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, don't worry, just click here. You can watch them anytime. In today's lesson, we'll take a look at some more essential phrasal verbs to help you express yourself more confidently and clearly. Let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is work through. Repeat. Work through. Work through. Work through. Work through means to deal with a problem or solve a problem, often by making effort over time. If you work through something, it means you're continuously addressing or trying to solve an issue. For example, Jane and her therapist are working through her anxiety issues, and she's making significant progress in managing her fears. Coming up next is grow apart. Repeat it. Grow apart. Grow apart. Grow apart. This phrasal verb means to become less close or connected with someone over time. It happens when a relationship becomes less strong or distant, when two or more people start becoming less close and connected than they were in the past. For example, after going to different colleges, my friends and I grew apart. We are not as close as we used to be. Are you ready for the next one? It's the phrasal verb let down. Repeat. Let down. Let down. Let down. It means to disappoint or fail someone by not meeting their expectations. When you let someone down, you break a promise or cause disappointment. For example, I'm sorry I let you down by not finishing the project on time. You expected me to finish the project at a specific time, but I couldn't. I'm sorry I let you down. After letting someone down, it's important to cheer them up. Repeat. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. This phrasal verb means to try to make someone feel happier or more positive. It is often used to provide emotional support. When you cheer up, you start to feel better or try to improve someone's mood. For example, Jessie was so sad. Her friends tried to cheer her up by taking her out for a fun evening. Her friends tried to encourage her and make her feel better. Next upcoming phrasal verb is look out for. Repeat. Look out for. Look out for. Look out for. Look out for implies watching out for someone's well-being and taking care of them. To watch over or be alert to potential dangers. For example, older siblings often look out for their younger brothers and sisters. Next phrasal verb that you all may know is break up. Repeat. Break up. Break up. Break up. Break up describes the end of a romantic relationship, the separation of two people who were together. For example, after months of disagreements, they finally decided to break up and go their separate ways. Next phrasal verb is somehow the opposite of breaking up. It's make up. Repeat. Make up. Make up. Make up. Make up means to restore a relationship or friendship after a disagreement or argument by forgiving, apologizing, and finding an agreement. When people make up, it means they are taking steps to repair a relationship. It implies a positive outcome where both partners want to move forward in a more harmonious way. For example, after a big fight, Sarah and Emily decided to make up. They talked about what went wrong and apologized to each other. Hopefully, they didn't break up. Their relationship continues in a more harmonious way. Let's move on with the phrasal verb fall out. Repeat. Fall out. Fall out. Fall out. To fall out means to have a disagreement, conflict, or argument with a friend or partner that results in a broken relationship. When people fall out, it means they have had a significant disagreement, which often results in breaking up. It describes a situation between two people who once had a good relationship, but now they no longer get along due to differences, conflicts, or personal issues. For example, Jack and Jesse used to be best friends, but they fell out over a misunderstanding, and now they hardly speak to each other. Let's move on with a more positive phrasal verb, turn to. Repeat, turn to. Turn to. Turn to. This phrasal verb means to seek help, advice, or support from someone or something. When you turn to someone, you rely on them in a time of need. They are there for you in hard situations. For example, in times of trouble, I always turn to my best friend for advice. Who do you turn to in times of trouble? Comment me below. And finally, the worst thing someone can do in a relationship. Cheat on. Repeat. Cheat on. Cheat on. Cheat on. This phrasal verb means to be unfaithful in a romantic relationship by having a secret affair with someone else. When someone cheats on their partner, they betray their trust by having a romantic relationship with someone else. For example, she was devastated when she found out her husband had cheated on her. And that's all I have for you in this video. I hope these phrasal verbs were helpful. You know what to do now. Try to memorize these phrasal verbs, make examples with them, and try applying them in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and wait for me until next time. Until then, watch one of these videos here and improve your English. See you soon!